Aptos is a coin that since the time it got listed, it's been doing nothing but ranging. Sure, you can argue that that ranging is pretty much from $5 to $18, which is quite a large range. And by using a Fibonacci extension from the $3 to the top of April 2024, we can get an extension of $30 as a target. But before we get into that breakout, are we currently in a great state to accumulate Aptos, and what could be an area where we can reduce or take some profits on the way in case we couldn't manage to break from the top this time around again? And let me give you a few secrets. On the daily time frame, Aptos is building a bottoming formation. It pinched $4.6 and then it put a higher low at 5.32, and after that it has pretty much by now completed the double bottom formation with a neck at $6.46. And this is after having a sell-off of 70% from $15 all the way to 4.6. During this period, Aptos lost the channel to the upside, it built one to the downside, and it has broken out towards resistance. It has already done twice a reset on the cross-V ratio, which is great. And when looking at the RSI on the weekly, we finally have a breakout that is currently confirming during this week. You can tell that I left my line in here end of January. I've been chasing for a potential weekly breakout that could signal a rally again into resistance of weekly 62, which can take the price precisely to $13. That $13 represents a confluence. It's not just a number. If you look carefully, first we top at almost $20, then at $15. If you continue with this trend line and we were to have a rally from here to the upside, the first line of touch of this same trend line is also $13. What are the risks? We are now testing support at $4.6, the same thing that we did in August in 2024. At that point, we range from mid-June into mid-September. And the risk is that we could find ourselves again for a little bit longer in that range between $6 to $4. And if market sold off, we could even go to $3. That is the last line in the sand for the whole trading range of Aptos. Therefore, it wouldn't be a bad idea to keep that in mind as well in case things were not straight up. My plan is to look for an exit around $30. That could be for me just to reduce my position, but if we were to break out from those $13 and continue to the upside, yeah, that's where things can get very bullish, and we are talking about targets of $30. If you like this type of short contents, make sure that you like this video and write down a comment below, and I will make sure that you get more updates on altcoins like this. As simple as that.